Hello there, welcome back. Today I will tell you how to draw a Peppa Pig. So let's get started. First, let's draw a circle, and from here let's draw a curve. Now let's draw another curve down, and let's make it into a U shape. Now let's draw two circles for the eyes and the ears. Draw two dots inside the eyes, a curve for the mouth, and let's draw an oval shape. Draw a curve down on both the sides and connect it with a slight curve. Now let's draw the hands. Draw the legs and the feet. Now let's color this. Okay buddies, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.